Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove phone number from Instagram account. It's really simple and easy. Open up the Instagram application here. There are two ways to do it. Now, first way, if you got a business and your phone number appears on your profile, so if that's the case, you can keep. If that isn't the case, you can skip forward a bit and I will show you how you can unlink it from your account so you don't use it for logging anything and things like that anymore. If you want to go ahead and remove your phone number from your profile, then first you need to go and tap on your profile picture in the bottom right, and then you have to tap on this edit profile like this. So when you are here, what you can do is scroll down and you can see this option public business information. Tap on this contact option and then you have to tap on this business phone number, and then what you can do is just go and press the back key in the bottom right and completely remove it. Then tap on this check icon in the top right corner, tap on it again, and that's how you can remove it from your business. Now I will show you how you can remove your from your actual account. What you need to do is firstly go to Instagram profile just like this and then tap on these three bars in the top right corner and you will land on this settings and privacy. So you have to tap on this account center and then scroll down a bit and tap on this personal details. And then you can see this contact info. You have to tap on it. And as you can see, these are the numbers. If you want to remove them, you have to tap on it and simply tap on this delete number, confirm it, yes, delete. And if go back, delete the second one if you want it. And that's how you can easily delete your number from your actual account. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.